Seattle, Lindy Hop 1, week number 5. Thank you very much for joining us. This was our graduation day, and we added these elements. So for our swing out followers,
we added the swivels,
which go
twist, twist, triple step, 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 triple step, and twist, twist. Adding those swivels at the end of the swing out, replacing the rock step.
Let's look at that one more time. It goes, I think.
Twist, twist, triple step, 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 triple step, right, left.
So leaders, we are rock stepping as normal. We're not leading the swivels. Followers,
adding them on our own.
good. We also took a look at kick through Charleston. Kick through Charleston. That looks like
rock step, kick, and a kick, step, rock step, kick, turn, kick, step, kick, turn, kick, front and a back, and rock step.
Thanks so much for joining us for Lindy Hop 1. We'll look forward to seeing you next session in Lindy Hop 2.